Hello, welcome to another model kit review. This is my first time I've bought a Hobby 2000 kit. I've looked at it already, but I haven't started it yet, and I haven't taken everything out of the cellophane. So let's have a little look at this kit now. It's the current release of the A-4E Skyhawk, which is one of the variants they're releasing at the moment. I really enjoyed that when I opened the box when it's delivered. I saw the box art as it comes, and I thought that looks great. I really do like that box art. It's very impressive. There's a packaging, a lot of different individually wrapped sprues. We'll look at them later, but first of all we start as usual with the instructions. So they're very nice coloured instructions. We've got the paint call outs there on the bottom. You can bring those up to you if that'll focus in. Paint call outs from different manufacturers as well. The sprue guide and a guide for the painting mask set, which I didn't realise at the time I bought it that we received free. Well, with the kit. There's the vinyl mask set for the wheels and for the cockpit. It's very good, very useful. I'm really pleased with that. The decals all look fine. Just show you those if it focuses. They don't feel too thick either. You've got the decal for the cockpit nose area, the anti-glare patch, so that'll be good for not having to mask around yourself. Just put that on there. To the side. As you can already see, you get a full colour decal sheet guide for two versions. One is they're both the A4E Skyhawks, but one has got the pack on the back and the other one hasn't. I imagine there's electronics in the back of there, but I don't know enough about the Skyhawk to know. But I used to have a Skyhawk when I was younger, so now when I've built this I'll have one again. Nice clear instructions, very well laid out. Although it's only on one sheet there, it's all you need because everything is nicely explained. As you can see there, the seat has moulding in harnesses and a pull, I suppose a trigger, ejector seat trigger from the handles for the top as well as the bottom, I'd imagine. Decals to go on the instrument panel. So yeah, that's the instructions, very clear. You've got the options for different parts. It says that you've got an option there, you've got an option there for whether you have the wheels, the holes drilled out or not. Various different stores. Good options for rockets or tanks, different things. Now the sprue themselves, I've opened some, as I say. I'll leave it shut because I don't open everything, because there's lots of small parts, a lot of detail. Even there's the air brake bit there. You can see how detailed that is if it focuses. Yeah, so that's great. Wheels, they're fine by me. I think they're good enough. Got the compressor blades marked out there, though you wouldn't see them very much. They are there inside, and the panel lines are recessed. You can see those. I don't know if that's showing up focus yet, but recessed panel lines. The wings I thought the wheels would be straighter than that, but perhaps they'll be straighter when they've got the other part on them. They seem a little bit turned up on this side on the end, but I thought it'd be more like that. I don't know, we'll see. I'll got a little bit of wheel well detail as well, which is always nice. And separate cockpit. It's all quite a modular design. And there's the undercarriage. Lots of different sticky out bits, as I call them. And the other side of the fuselage and the tailpipe. Usual things, but all nicely wrapped in bags. Not necessarily environmentally friendly, but they do keep the parts from rubbing against each other. The clear parts seem to be in good condition. Again, you got your mask set, so you can use that anyway. But there are, if you can look carefully, there are lines marking where the frame goes on the canopy. You get the option of a closed canopy, or you can have it open as well, which is a nice choice to have there. So that's the upshot of it. Not a lot to tell you, but it's a good kit. I'm pleased with my first experience of Hobby 2000. I certainly would buy a kit from them anytime in the future. Very pleased with their quality, and I recommend this kit, although I'm not being paid to say so. I do think it's a good, probably one of the a good Skyhawk kit if you want one in 1/72 scale. So there we are. Hope you enjoyed that. I'll speak to you some other time. Bye.